One day, Arun was walking back home after work when he noticed a big poster on the roadside. It said, "Is your money sleeping in the bank? Wake it up and make it work." Arun was confused. He thought, what does that even mean? Money working? Aren't we the ones who work for money? He didn't understand it and walked away. The next day, while having tea with his friend Karthik, Arun mentioned the poster.
Karthik smiled and said, "Bro, if your money is just sitting in the bank, it may be safe, but it's not growing."
Arun replied, "But the bank gives interest, right?" Karthik said, "Yes, around 2 to 3%, but inflation increases by almost 6 to 7% every year. So even though your money increases a little, its real value is actually going down."
Then Arun said, "Okay, but at least money in the bank is safe, right?"
Karthik replied, "Do you know that if a bank collapses, the government guarantees only up to about 5 lakhs? Even if you have crores in bank, legally you may get only that insured amount."
Arun got shocked and said, "Bro, I have around 14 lakhs in my bank account. What should I do now?"
Karthik said, "You should start investing in assets."
Arun asked, "Assets? Like buying a house?"
Karthik said, "First, understand this clearly. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. For example, if you buy a car only for personal use, you spend on fuel, maintenance, and insurance. That's a liability. But if you use the same car for Uber or rentals, it generates income. Then it becomes an asset."
Rich people focus on buying assets. Poor and middle-class people usually keep buying liabilities. Rich people focus on buying assets. Poor and middle-class people usually keep buying liabilities.
Asset 1. Digital assets. These are online-based assets such as websites, YouTube channels, blogs, online courses, ebooks, apps, and digital designs. If you start a good YouTube channel and post useful content, you can earn through ads and sponsorships. If you like writing, you can start a blog and earn through Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Big companies like Amazon and Flipkart offer affiliate programs. Digital products like courses or ebooks are powerful because you create them once and sell them for a long time. If you have skills in programming, design, or video editing, you can create courses based on that knowledge. Once digital assets are set up, they can generate income even without daily physical work. That's why digital assets are considered one of the most powerful and safest assets today.
Asset 2. Farming and agriculture investments. We are not talking about traditional farming here. Modern, profitable options include organic farming, greenhouse farming, and commercial plantations.
Organic farming. Chemical-free vegetables and fruits get higher prices in the market. Hydroponics and vertical farming. Even if you don't have land, you can still farm using technology. Hydroponics means growing plants in nutrient water without soil. Fewer diseases, no weeds, higher yield, less space. Vertical farming means growing crops in multiple layers, like 5 to 6 floors of farming in one small area. Vertical farming means growing crops in multiple layers, like 5 to 6 floors of farming in one small area.
Because organic food demand is increasing, hydroponic produce sells at premium prices.
Initial investment may be higher, but once set up, maintenance cost is low and profits are stable.
This is a sustainable business for supplying healthy food to urban markets.
Commercial plantation crops. You can earn lakhs from crops like bamboo, sandalwood, aloe vera, teak. The government also provides subsidies and loans. If you don't own land, no problem. You can invest in smart farming startups where they use your money and share profits with you.
Asset 3. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending. Instead of giving money to banks, you lend directly to individuals through online platforms.
Interest rates can go up to 18–20%, while banks usually give only 2 to 4%.
Arun asked, "What if people don't repay? Isn't it risky?" Karthik said, "Yes, there is risk, but you can reduce it by 1. Not giving all money to one person, split across many borrowers. 2. Checking credit scores and platform risk ratings."
If done properly, this is a strong method to earn interest safely. Asset 4. Paper assets. Financial market. These include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, REITs, government securities, and IPOs.
They may be digital, but they are still called paper assets. The main advantages are easy to buy and sell, easy to diversify, high long-term growth potential. If you buy land, selling it may take months, but stocks can be sold within seconds.
With the right knowledge, you earn dividends, capital appreciation, and benefit from compounding.
Bonds give stable income with lower risk. Mutual funds are managed by experts. You can start SIP with just 500 rupees per month. If India's GDP grows, top companies grow. If you invest in index funds, your money grows along with the economy. This is a silent wealth builder and one of the fastest paths to financial freedom long term.
Asset 5. High rental property.
Arun said, "Property gives rent. I already know that." Karthik replied, "Yes, but there are new trends now. Co-living spaces, large apartments rented to multiple tenants, can generate higher income. Commercial properties, offices, shops, and warehouses give higher rent than residential houses. Airbnb holiday rentals. If you buy property in tourist areas and list on Airbnb, you may earn double compared to normal monthly rent. Example: normal rent equals 20,000. Airbnb income equals 40,000 to 50,000. Right location equals strong cash flow.
That's why rich people buy property and rent it out to generate steady income.
Asset 6. Skill assets. Your skills are also assets. Video editing, graphic design, coding, teaching, marketing. Once you learn a skill, no one can take it away from you. You can earn through freelancing, teaching, course creation, consulting. Skills are like a self-made ATM machine. You can generate money whenever needed. Asset 7. Network assets. People say your network is your net worth. If you connect with the right people, business opportunities come, investment ideas come, collaboration chances come. Build strong relationships with mentors, investors, like-minded friends, and industry experts. This silently changes your life over time. Asset 8. Personal brand. Today, personal brand itself is an asset. If you consistently share valuable content on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, you build your own audience. Then, brands will approach you. You can sell your own products. You control your business. People trust people, not just products. So when you build a personal brand, you become the business. Your presence itself becomes an asset. All these assets cannot be built in one day. But one thing is sure. If you start today, your future freedom becomes possible. After hearing everything, Arun finally felt clear and said, "From now on, I won't just save money. I will start building assets." Guys, these are some of the best assets to build wealth and reach financial freedom faster. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye!